Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove minimum age restriction on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app and then tap on this profile icon given at the bottom right. Then you're going to be going to this three horizontal line on top right corner, aka the menu icon. Now from over here you're going to be scrolling and going to this section of for professionals, where you will find this option of creator tools and insight, including account type and tools. Now you're going to tap on this option of creator tools and insight. So right over here you're going to be finding this option of minimum age. So currently I won't be able to show that because that is simply not applicable to my account, and regarding the new update, it hasn't been updated and shown as well. But for you will find that option right over here called minimum age. You're gonna tap on this minimum age subsection, and then you will be able to now have this section of default age restriction. You can tap on it and you can add the age range of which you would like to simply have the restriction for your contents or for you yourself. You're going to add in the restriction right over there, custom, and then you're going to go back and save the changes. Or if per se, if you have already added, then you're going to go to the section and then you can tap on the age and you can tap on remove, aka delete the age that you have written right over there, and you're going to save the changes blank, and then you're going to come back. So that is the way for you to simply do so. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.